Hello friends, Vince Burlapp here. I had the chance to see the new Acura ZDX in person at the auto show, and I have to say I was quite impressed, especially since the car on the show floor had an intense gold color, and as you might know, I am not a fan of that color. But somehow, I think it looks fine and pretty original on the new ZDX. The design is more imposing in person and much cleaner than its platform cousin, the Chevrolet Blazer EV. It also has more personality than the new Honda Prologue EV. While the ZDX will start at above $60,000, this Type S model will be over $70,000. These crazy high prices will definitely not help EV adoption in the US. The interior is nice and quite attractive. Except for the stupid tablet screen, a Honda specialty these days. While it is enjoyable, the interior might not seem fancy enough for the price. Other Acura models use a very nice wood trim in their interior, but not the ZDX, especially the sporty Type S model, which is really too bad. The seats look and feel very nice. There are air vents for the rear seats, but the slightly more basic, although still expensive, A-spec version doesn't have them, which is not what you want to see in such an expensive car. No rear air vents in a luxury car is like serving cheap booze for New Year's Eve. It can start fights and generate a violent situation. The Bang & Olufsen sound system is new for Acura this year. I would expect it to sound great. Otherwise, a huge wave of intense disappointment will overtake the small part of the human population that can actually afford this car. Again, the console is quite simple, maybe too much so. For $70,000, I would expect something a bit more special and elaborate. But that's who I am, special and elaborate.